tonight, we will have a speech of the Ambassador of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan in the Kingdom of the Netherlands, His Excellency Dr. Homayon Azizi. Next, we will have a speech of Mr. Homayon, Deputy Director General for Foreign Economic Relations. After that, we would like to invite you for a dinner. And on the tables, there are information presented about the cultural heritage of Afghanistan. And throughout this event, we have an artwork exhibition of paintings by Mr. Tawab Safi, which I will be providing more information about later. For now, I would like to invite His Excellency Dr. Azizi to speak.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good evening. I'm delighted to have the pleasure to welcome our honorable guests to this ceremony on the occasion of the celebration of the 100th anniversary of our independence. Ladies and gentlemen, I come from a geography, I talk about the history, and I represent a heritage tonight that proves of a noble nation's perseverance, dedication, bravery, and traditional order. Not for the wrong, but for human values, for freedom, independence, sovereignty, and a dignified life. Excellencies, the Independence Day in Afghanistan is celebrated on August 19. It commemorates the full independence of Afghanistan from the former British Empire under the leadership of King Amallah Khan in the year 1919. Interestingly, Afghanistan never was officially part of the British Empire. Anyone who has gone through the pages of our history acknowledges that Afghanistan and Afghans throughout history remain of the few unconquerable land and people by the brutal empires of yesterday. Those who wanted to challenge the nation's freedom and independence, and those who wanted to manipulate others' values and social lives disappeared. It also proves that this great nation has always sacrificed but never compromised when it comes to its national, traditional, and religious values. For those with further curiosity into this, I must say that Afghanistan's life stories with Mongolians, Alexander the Great, the British, and lately the Soviet Union would be recommended readings. 100 years ago, we were once again challenged by the history when our freedom was threatened by the world's greatest empire, the British, and we had to fight 3 famous Anglo-Afghan wars before we could convince them to realize the fall they had admitted in facing with Afghans. Today we are not only proud of how hard we fought against invaders during the history, but we are also proud of the values and principles that gave us the dedication and the zeal to defend our dignity and sovereignty. The very values that taught us respect, goodwill, peace, and friendship. As a proof with all those braveries and heroism that our history has portrayed, Afghans have not ever invaded other geographies. It has never challenged the freedom of other nations, and we have never threatened other value, dignity, or peace. We sacrificed yesterday in fighting and defeating the brutal empires of the history, and today we fight for ourselves and others against the transnational terrorist networks that take sacrifice from our women and children and are threatening our peace and social stability. With that said, today when we celebrate the 100th anniversary of our independence, we mark a different page in our history, a phase in which Afghanistan is turning to become the node where international cooperation and regional integration find their real meaning. We are proud of our partnership with the nations from across the world in our mission to restore peace in Afghanistan, defeat international terrorists in our mountains to ensure the safety of the Dutch in The Hague, the British in London, the Indies in Delhi, and so on. We, along with our international and regional partners, fight against terrorism on behalf of humanity. Our soldiers today defend not just their villages, but the universal core values of democracy, freedom of speech, gender equality, peace and humanity, those that your nations live by. To value the sacrifice of our soldiers, to protect, to value the sacrifice of our soldiers to protect the freedom of our